Stop throwing money away. Your biggest energy thief might be hiding right behind your refrigerator. Dirty coils force your fridge to overwork. That constant strain skyrockets your electricity usage and utility costs. These are your condenser coils. When they're insulated by dust, the fridge can't cool efficiently, period. Safety first. Always, I repeat, always start by unplugging the unit completely before touching anything. Locate the coils. They're usually at the back, or sometimes behind a grill panel at the bottom front. Use a special coil brush or a vacuum crevice tool. Aggressively but gently loosen every clump of dust. Now, vacuum it all up. You need to remove the dirt you dislodged, not just push it around. Look at the difference. Clean coils mean heat can escape easily. That is pure, unadulterated efficiency. Reposition your fridge, and after a quick check, plug it back in. The job is done. Enjoy instant benefits, lower energy bills, less strain on the compressor, and a longer life for your appliance.